How to use point in Expedia. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use points in Expedia. So in order to redeem your points in Expedia, so what you need to do is basically you'll need to use it as a way of payment method, or else what you can do is you can store it and you can use it while doing a purchase. So what you need to do is first of all log in into your Expedia application. And let's say that if you're booking a ticket, say let's consider a flight. After you're done selecting all of your information, so you need to click on the search button and then you can use it while making a purchase. So flight and then click on the select button. Now you'll be taken to the info page. So over here you need to make sure to review all of the information that you've provided. If you're sure about it, then click on the checkout button. So as soon as you click on the checkout button, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to provide in your information. So once you've done this, you'll need to scroll down right to the bottom, and right over here you have this option as name on the card and then expiry date, all that. So basically what you can do is instead of your card you can provide in your coupon. So after you redeem it, you'll get some certain amount of this. You can use it in that way. Otherwise what you can do is you can also use it in another way. So for that you need to head over to your home screen and then go to accounts. Over here you can see there is coupons. Now if you're unable to cope up with this following method, then you can go on this website and then check on how you can use your coupons. So click on the link and here you have all the instructions on how you can actually redeem or use your coupon on Expedia. So that is basically how you can use your coupons on Expedia. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.